Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. So today we'll be seeing at trim entities, how it works. Now, for example, I have some lines like that to here, 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 and some line crosses it. This. Okay. You might have seen something that you don't want to create your, like for example, power trim. You have different types of trims. One is power trim or corner trim or trim away, and we'll be studying all of them. But you might have seen some types of shapes that when you create some shapes and there is some point that you want to delete that point from your drawing or from your model that you have created, then you can use the trim command despite deleting the whole thing, like a curve or line or circle or anything. Okay, so power trim means anything come in your way, just click the left click and drag it. Anything comes in your way, it will be deleted. Okay, this was about a power trim. Now the other option is the corner. Corner mean you need to select any of the uh, corner. For example, I'm selecting this corner like this one. I need to select, what I did actually is that I need to select any of the corner. For example, this line and this line. When I select this line and this line, it means that I'm selecting this corner, and anything that that is extended from this corner will be deleted. Or if I'm selecting this and this, so anything extended from this corner will be deleted. For example, I'm selecting this and this, these both lines are deleted because these both were extending from here. Now if I do the same for this line and this line, this side is deleted. Now look at the other option, which is trim away inside. So I need to select two lines, and anything between them will be trim away. I'm selecting these two lines, and now this, whatever line I'm, or whatever the shape I'm just clicking on it, it will get trimmed off like this. Okay, I'm restoring my shape by clicking Ctrl Z, which is undo command. Now the other one is trim away outside. For example, I'm selecting this and this line again, and whenever I select outside of them, whatever line I'm selecting outside of them will be deleted. Okay, trim to closest. Yeah, it means that whenever I'm selecting, like for example, I'm selecting this line, so it will trim to the closest, mean that the closest that intersected, like for example this line intersecting and this line intersecting this line, so it will be trimmed to these 2 points. These are two very close points, the closest points to this. Okay, now let's see how the other command, which is under the trim command, is extend command. Extend command means that sometimes your sketch falls short, so this command just extend your shape to the nearest point. Like for example, I'm by clicking this will extend this line to its closest point, which is this one. and when clicking this, it will extend this line to the closest one. By clicking this, it will extend to the nearest line or the point that come in its way. Like for example, it will extend it from there to there. This is how trim commands works. Extend command works. This was all about extend command and trim command. I hope you'd like it. Please like and share with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.